Okay, so dynamic Huffman coding. The dynamic Huffman coding, the transmitter and receiver build a Huffman tree dynamically as the characters are being transmitted or it is received. So it will construct the coding, okay, dynamically. So for this, I am taking a input string as this is simple. This is simple is the one example, one string they have taken. Here we have this, we have a space, we have is, we have space, we have simple. Okay, like this we have the example. So for this we need to construct the tree diagram. Okay, so how to construct the tree diagram using the dynamic Huffman coding? Okay, we have some procedure is there in case of the dynamic Huffman coding. Okay, so as I told earlier, this is the one character set, space is also one character, this is also character set, space is also character, simple is also character set. This complete one string I am taking as an example. Okay, so first what I will do, initialize a tree. Okay, I will initialize the tree. Okay, for initializing, what I will do, I will take empty leaf. Okay, empty leaf I will take. This is called as a branch. You know it, branch. One branch I have taken. So this is completely represented as a branch. I have assigned 0 as a binary value, and at the leaf node, I will assign as an E0. E0 stands for empty leaf. Okay, E0 stands for empty leaf. This is the initialization of the dynamic Huffman tree. This is the first step. Understood? So this is the first step, initialization tree. So I will construct the one empty leaf with the branch. That branch is assigned as a 0, binary 0. Okay, next E0 stands for empty leaf here. Okay, so next I will follow some procedure here. So I will follow some procedure. So what is that procedure? So I will write character first. One column I will create. In that column I will write character. Next column is output. Next column is updated tree. Next column is list. Okay, like that I will construct the 4 column: character, output, updated tree, and the list. So like this I will make the 4 column. Okay, in the character I will take the first character. So for what is the first character in the input string? So this is the first character, T. T is the first character in the input string. This is simple. This is called as input string. As an example I have taken. Okay. So for that character, in the character column I will take T as a first character because it is a first character in the, this is simple string. That is why I am taking a T as a first character. So next what I will do, so initialize the tree, I have done it. So with the branch 0 binary value, and with the empty leaf E0. Okay, so next I will write this like this. So E0, next I will assign 1 to the other side of the branch. I will assign 1 to the other side of the branch. Then I will give T1. Okay, so T1 I will give because branch value is here is 1 year. That is why I will write it as T1. Okay, so this is updated tree. Okay, initially we have the only this tree, that is nothing but leaf, empty leaf tree. So now it is updated to the first character T. Okay, that is what is called as updated tree. Okay, so E0 T1. So E0 T1. Okay, so E0 T1. So E0 T1. So one why I have written here is because I have assigned another branch, and the value of that branch is assigned as 1 year. So 0 is assigned to empty leaf, 1 is assigned to new character T. Branch I have assigned as a 0, 1 I have assigned. That is why I will write T1 here. So next in the list column I will write from left to right. From left to right I will write. So how to write left to right and andre, first you have to write E0, then you have to come back to the right hand side, that is T1. Okay, so like that I will write E0 T1. So this is the list. How to write the list anta andre simple. You have to go from left to right. E naught T1. So one how anta andre it coming from the because I have assigned this branch as a one. That is why it is becomes T1 here, not T0. It is T1. So that is why in the list we have E naught into T1. E naught T1. This is called as list table. Okay. Next, I will take another character H as a next character. Okay, H as a next character. So what I will do? So I will do like this. Okay. So for the next character H I will take. So this value, okay, this value I will write it as a 0. So because of the 0 binary value is assigned here, that is why this continuation is mark it as a 0 here. Okay, 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ because of the 0 values. Okay, in the left hand side empty leaf branch. So 0 they have written, then H they will take, output H they will take, character set character they have taken next character in the input string. This is simple. So T is over now, H they are taking now. So character H they have taken, the output is H only. Okay, so output till T is first character, that is why it is T. In this case we have H here. Okay, so next what they will do? So same for updated tree, what we will do, wherever you have E naught, so initially we have E naught here. So when you are taking the next character in the updated tree, what you have to do here is, so you have to, in place of E naught, again you have to divide the branch. In place of the E naught, again you have to divide the branch. How to divide the branch under? So left hand side is assigned to 0, that is empty leaf, that is E naught. Right hand side is 1, that is H1. Okay, so because H1 ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ because of 1 is assigned to as a right hand side branch, that is why it is H1. So E naught H1. Okay, so here uh, if you calculate 0 and 1, 0 plus 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. that is I have written here 1 here. So 1 how will it come ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0 is 0 plus 1, this 0 and this 1 I have summed together. This sum is called as 1 here. Okay, 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, this is understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, so this is over, updated tree is over. So to write the list, what I will do, I will go from left to right. So what I will do, first I will write E naught. So this value E naught I will write. Next H1 I will write, H1 I will write. Next I will go back, 1 I will write. So 1 we have, and T1 we have. So T1 I am writing here. So list is updated now. So E naught H1 1 T1, like that it is updated. This is called as order of the Huffman coding tree. Okay, this is called as order of the Huffman coding tree. List is called as order of the Huffman coding tree. Understood? Very very simple. From left to right I am going. E naught H1 1 T1. So E naught H1 1 T1. Okay. So next what I will do? Next I will take another character. So what is the character? In the input string, this is simple. So T is over, H is over. Next character is I. Okay. So for that I, what I will do? I will take I as a character. Output is also I. Next, using this arrow, I will write 0 0. How it becomes 0 0 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, see, this is 0, this is 0, 0 0. So 0 0 I have written. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? 0 0 0. How I have written here is from this. See this arrow mark, it is showing here. So 0 0 means this 0 and this 0. From top to bottom I am going. Okay. So that top to bottom value I have written here 0 0. So that is why 0 0 here. Okay. So next, for next character, what you will do again, you have to update the tree diagram. So we have e naught here. So in the e naught again you have to divide the tree. Okay. So same thing, see, this is called as updated tree. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ t1 ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಈ 1 ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ h1 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ h1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ e ನಾಟ್ ಇದೆ. e ನಾಟ್ ಬದಲು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಟ್ರೀನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. Since I have taken the next character in the e naught place, I have divided the tree. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ e naught ಬದಲು ನಾನು ಟ್ರೀನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ e naught. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ i1. ಓಕೆ, i1 ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ e naught ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಸೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have 1 ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಸೈನ್. ಸೊ here 1 will come. ಓಕೆ, 0 1. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಟ್ರೀನ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 e ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ i1 ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಅಂದರೆ 1 ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, 1 we will have. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಸೊ here 1 will come. ಸೊ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, here we will have 1. We will have 1. 0 plus 1, it becomes 1. So next 1 h1. So 1 ಮತ್ತೆ h1 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ h of 1. So 1 1 ಈ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have 2 here. So that is why the 2 it will come. Okay, this is called as updated tree. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, tree will be updated every time. Whenever you have taken the new character, the tree will be updated. Okay, see, 1 plus 1, it becomes 2 here. Okay, so that is why tree is updated. Tree is updated. Okay. Next, so this is similar. 2 plus 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ because it is initialize tree. Initialize ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 2 plus 1 3 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So just leave it. Okay, 2 we have written. So this is called as updated tree. Okay. Next you have to write the list. So list or order of the tree, you have to write it. How to write the order of the tree? Again you have to come from the left hand side to the right hand side. So e naught i1 1 h1 2 t1. Okay, so like that you have to write it from the left hand side to the right hand side. E naught i1 1 h1 2 t1. Like that you have to update the order of the tree. Okay, so order we have written, okay, using the left hand side to right hand side. E naught i1 1 h1 2 t1. Like that we have written the order. So in the meanwhile you have to observe the order of the tree. Okay, so order of the tree always it should start from increasing order. It should be in the increasing order. So ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, see, in the previous case we have 0 1 1 1. It is like increasing order. But in this case we have 0 1 1 1 2 1. So it is mismatching. The order is mismatching. Order is in the form, is not in the form of the increasing order. That is why it is called as order mismatch. Okay, this is called as order mismatch. Whenever you have the order mismatch, whenever you come across the order mismatch, what you have to do here is that order is wrong. Okay, that you have to consider as a, that order is a wrong order. Okay, for that wrong order, that is why I have made it as a into or cross mark. That is nothing but it is a mismatch. Order is mismatching, or list is mismatching anta artha. So when we have this type of the order mismatching, what you have to do here is to correct the order. How to correct the order? It is very simple. You have to reverse the order. So wherever the order is mismatching, in that place you have to misplace the interchange the order. How to interchange the order? How to interchange the order anta andre, see, 2 it will come here, t it will go here, left hand side t will go, right hand side 2 will go, like that order will be replaced. Okay, wherever the order is misplaced, in that case you have to replace the order, so that order will be in the increasing order. Okay, like that order correction has to be done. Okay, order correction has to be done. That is the first important step here. Whenever the order gets mismatched in the increasing order, then you have to follow the order correction procedure. Then only you have to go to the next character set. Otherwise the coding will be wrong. Okay, so that is why what I will do, order replacing I will do. So next tree here is updated tree here is, this is the updated tree. So this is the old, okay, this is called as updated tree. Okay, this is updated tree. ಇದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ replacement. So 2 will come here and t will go like this. So like that order will be corrected. This is called as order correction. Okay, so this you have to do in the updated tree. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಟ್ರೀನ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಈ ತರ ಬರೋ ತರ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ e0 I1 1 H1 then T1 then 2. Okay, so ಈ ತರ you have to correct the order. Okay, you have to correct the order. So E0 I1 1 H1 T1 2. So like that we have made it the correction. So that is why order is in the increasing order. That is why I have put this mark, right mark I have inserted here. I have marked the right mark. So this is the correct order. Okay, then only you have to go to the next character. Okay, whenever you have the order mismatch, you have to correct the order and you have to update the tree. Okay, then only you have to go to the next character. Okay, so then I will go to the next character. So next character what I will do, so see, for code words I have written 100 here. Okay, 100. So 100 ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so from top to bottom, so top ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100. So 100. So 1 here we have, 0 we have here, and 0 we have here. Okay, that is why 100 I have written here for the character S. Okay, this is the derivation, code derivation. Okay, next I will take the next character, that is S. Next character I will take S. So output is yes. Next what I will do, again I will update the tree. So updation of the tree ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So wherever you have e0, wherever ಇಲ್ಲಿ e0 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಈ e0 ಬದಲು you have to take the division of the tree, division of the branch. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ e0 ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Again left hand side is considered as a e0 and s1. S1 ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, because we have assigned as a binary 1 as a branch value, so 0 as a branch value in the left side. That is why this is E0 and here is 1 S1. So again you have to update the tree. So E0 S1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 plus 1 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it becomes 1 here. Next 1 plus I1, so 1 plus 1 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it becomes 2 here. Next 2 plus 1 it becomes 3 here. Okay, like that it is updated, the tree is updated. Okay, so E0, then you have to write the order, so from the starting to the ending. So E0 S1 1 I1 2 H1 3. Okay, like that you have to write the order or the list. So E0 S1 1 I1 2 H1 T1 3. So like that you have to write it. So if you see this order, if you see this order, so if you see this order, again we have the order mismatch. It is not in the form of the increasing order. 0, 1, 1, 2, okay, 2, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3. This is not in the increasing order. That is why you have to make the order correction. Okay, order correction ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then only you have to go to the next step, next character. So again, you have to make the
Sir,
order correction. Okay, how to do the order correction?
sir,
As I told earlier, same thing. So same thing again, you have to correct. ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ,
sir,
so replacement will come. Hello,
sir, ಅದು 3 ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ಅದು
ಏನ ಏನ
3 ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್
3 ನಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್
2 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೀ
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್
ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಟ್ರೀ 2 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 2 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, 2
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್
ಪ್ಲಸ್ H1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 1 H ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್
ಹಾಂ
1
ಸರ್
3 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಟ್ರೀ ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ
2
ಸರ್
ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಸ್ 3 ಇಯರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೀ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸರಿನೂ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಂಗೆಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರು. ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 3 ಇಯರ್. Okay, so whenever the tree gets updated, the order, the value of the value will be changed. So that is why we have the tree here. So ಈ ತರ again we have to make the correction. So ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Again they have done it here. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಬರೆದು you have to practice by taking the pen and paper. Then only you will understand the process. Okay, you do it in the home. Okay, so this is again, it is corrected here. They have done the updated tree also. Okay, ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And the again they have written the order. So in this order again, it is order is corrected. So E naught S1 1 I1 T1 H1 2 2. So this is in the form of the increasing order. That is why order is corrected. Okay, next when the order is corrected, again they will go back to the another character U, sorry, space. So in the input string, this is simple. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಎಚ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಐ ಆಯಿತು, ಎಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ದಿ ಕೋಡ್. ಸೊ ಕೋಡ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಟು ಬಾಟಮ್. ಸೊ 0 0 0. ಸೊ ವೈ ಹೌ ವಿ ದಿ 0 0 0 ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಟು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ 0 0 0. So 0 0 0. So like that they have written the code for the space. Okay, so again for the next character, again wherever you have e naught ideo alli they again they will divide. So they will divide this. So e naught space 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೀ ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 1 ಆಯ್ತು, 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 2 ಆಯ್ತು, 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 3. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡು ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟು. 2 T1 H1 ಅಂತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, 2 T1 H1, this is same thing, they will write it. Okay, so this is called as updated tree. So again they will write the list e naught u1 e naught space 1 1 s1 2 i1 t1 h1 3 2. So like that they will write it. So here also, so order is mismatched. Okay, order is mismatched. Okay, so that is why again you have to correct the order mismatch. Corrections you have to do, because 3 will come here, next 2 will come. So that means it is not in the increasing order. That is why again you have to correct the tree diagram and also order thing. So they have written this like this again, same. So same thing they have written, and they make the order as e naught space 1 1 s1 h1 i1 t1 2 2 3. So it is in the form of the order, increasing order. So that is why it is corrected. Order is corrected. Like that they have done the all. So ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಸೊ 01 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೋಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ they have written like this. So all procedure, it is repeated. Okay, whenever you have the order mismatch, you have to update the tree and you have to make the order correction. Then you have to take the next character. So like that they have written the code also, they have written the tree diagram also. So finally we will have the this, we will have the order, this much order we will have. So ಇದು final order ಎಲ್ಲ character ತಗೊಂಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ. So for each character we have the code words. So ನೋಡಿ S ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಒನ್ ಒನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಕೋಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜನರೇಟೆಡ್. ಫಾರ್ ಐ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 01 and for space we have 00, like that they have written. So this will be continued till the complete character is over. Okay, so ee tara dynamically we will do the character coding. This is called as dynamic Huffman coding. Okay, so you have to practice.